If you want to live a healthy, fulfilling life, stop punishing them in your mind. Stop criticizing them in your mind. I know they did something that you didn't like. You felt hurt in that situation. You felt terrible and you felt like they should get punished. This anger and rage inside of you have indulged you in feeling that you have to teach them a lesson and take revenge on them. Does that sound familiar to you? Have you been in that position earlier too, or are you facing it right now? If that is your case, then stop doing it. It is doing harm to you in ways you can't even imagine. In my opinion, wishing bad for another is, in a way, wishing bad for ourselves because we are all one. I was reading chapter 1 from the book Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard. In the middle of the chapter, there was a paragraph that swayed me. It makes things so clear that you should read it too. I will try to make things easier and clearer for you, and it goes so well with your situation. So, in this chapter, Neville is talking about how the subconscious and conscious mind work together to manifest your desired reality. He goes in depth and tells us that our conscious mind, or thinking mind, generates an idea. This is what our conscious mind is good at. It generates the idea and impresses it on the subconscious mind, which manifests it in our reality. Your subconscious mind has only one role that it performs, and that is to objectify the idea that your conscious mind feels to be true. Yes, the idea that you consciously think to be true manifests in your reality. He further tells us that the ideas can be impressed through the medium of feeling, and by feeling he does not refer to the high vibrational states, that you have to stay happy 24/7. He only tells you that you have to consciously feel it to be true, and this can be done by eliminating all the opposing thoughts. No idea can be impressed unless it is felt, and once felt, whether good, bad, or indifferent, it manifests in your reality. He now emphasizes with the feeling part. What you feel becomes manifest, and if a man does not control his feelings, he has the potential to easily manifest negative outcomes in his reality. Then he enlightens us with this golden principle that what you do not want to be done unto you, do not feel that it is done to another. He clearly states that if you try to manifest any negative situation for another, it may be done to you, or even if you are successful, you will still experience negativity because it has thrived from negative states. To live a full and happy life, wish good for others and yourself. Controlling your feelings is the most important aspect of living a full and happy life. You should not entertain an undesirable feeling. Also, you should not, out of sympathy, justify the wrong. Doing so invites it into your experience. When you dwell upon the imperfections of yourself, by self-criticizing or by focusing on the imperfections of others, you are solidifying those experiences in your reality. So, the next time you feel the urge to punish someone or criticize them in your mind, remember this golden rule for a happy, fulfilling life. Simply put, you cannot assume the worst about another person and live a happy life, because that person is also a part of your life, and what is bad for another is bad for your life. If you still have trouble forgiving others and moving on, start feeling good about yourself, work on your self-concept. It's all due to a low self-concept. When you improve your mental image, everything improves. You would leave all the hate and anger and become compassionate. That's all for today, folks. I will meet you tomorrow with another golden nugget. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy manifesting.